Welcome to break 5114 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Division break. Thank you all for watching. We do appreciate it. Current date and time, according to eBay, is Wednesday, July 7th, 2021. It's 9:04 p.m. Pacific Time, 11:04 p.m. Central Time, and it's Thursday, July 8th, 12:04 a.m. Eastern Time. Jose has every division. No need to randomize. Good luck, Jose. Let's see what we have behind door number 5114. And Max Muncy, Dodgers, 75 out of 99. Very nice. Max Muncy, first baseman, second baseman, Dodgers, going to Jose. And thanks, Jose. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autographed football mini helmet. And up next is break 5116 for the 2020-21 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. Thanks.